Hi, my name is Elyse and I'm going to be sharing some recipes with you to help elevate your barbecue food. Open Farm Days is supporting Alberta farmers, and they have working with the organic box. They have the Alberta barbecue box that you can purchase. In that box is some amazing proteins and products from farmers in Alberta. We're going to be working with some Serben Farm sausages today to create a Korean inspired hot dog. It's a really simple recipe using some local products, and I am really proud to be helping and supporting local farmers. Okay, so we're going to make our Korean inspired mayo that's going to go on our fabulous Serben Farm sausages. We have 3 tablespoons of good mayonnaise that's going in. We've got 1 tablespoon of the gochujang chili paste. We have a teaspoon of this fabulous Good Morning honey that's going to go in. And then we need a splash of vinegar. Now I'm using this really delicious Serrano honey vinegar from Evolution olive oil. You can use any apple cider vinegar would work, any vinegars like that. Okay, we're just gonna put a splash of that in. And then we're gonna mix this all together. And that is our delicious Korean inspired mayo.